Where you been?
I was early actually.
I don't mean today.
Oh,
I mean, why didn't you show up? This is from 2025. You were issued the citation back in February of 25. Where you
Yeah.
been?
I was unaware. I was asked my family.
He gave you the ticket, right?
This
You gave-
courtroom session opens with a frustrated judge confronting a defendant who hasn't paid court-ordered money and still hasn't stabilized his life. At 39, the judge makes it clear excuses are running thin. But watch carefully. This hearing quickly turns into a lesson about accountability and second chances. Subscribe for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns.
When are you going to get your life in order?
As soon as I have my license, I'm very close.
Where do you work?
I've just been working side jobs on Facebook for now, and I've done a little bit of work for Mr. Love on the side. But on top of that, I've still been going to the guidance center, and they're helping me look for work as well.
He was supposed to pay $50 bi-weekly on this beginning March 1 of 25. It looks August 1 of 25. He didn't pay anything.
Didn't have any money at the time.
Did I not tell you to come and talk to me if you didn't have the money? Did I? Why didn't you come and talk to me? I told you to come and talk to me if you didn't have the money.
I'm still worried about probation from why not, and I'm still trying to just follow with everything they wanted me to do. They had me going all kinds of therapy and all the places, rehab for a little bit, left the rehab, and then did rehab, turned myself in, and here I am now.
This is a 2023 case. We're still fooling around with a 2023 case. Do you have any money with him today?
He's barely able to keep his residence. He's completely staying on the house.
Why didn't you go and apply for jobs and get a steady job somewhere?
I'd like to, but I mean, it's like pulling teeth. It's like, I know I don't have my license, but I know that I can still have an ID and like be capable of working at a company. But I've just taken my camera now. Got to put my active to that. And, as far as if my mom, she's been there for me, and
What days were you in custody on Judge Hesson's case?
initially I first went in on October 6th, but I didn't see Judge Hesson until November 4th.
And then you were in custody until December 13th.
So it's December 13th. She accredited me 50 days.
You were in custody on Judge DeSanto's case beginning October 6th. Is that right? Kids, wife, anything?
No. So I got my dad. My dad's kind of like, he's got cancer and whatnot. I see when I started to really just keep myself.
You don't deserve a break, but I'm going to give you one. I'm going to just give you credit for time served on Judge Hesson's and close this.
Thank
You
you.
got to grow up. You're 39. They don't give us like 487 years on this planet. Good luck. Christina Marie Mathis, thanks. 26F245553. Could I have seated up here Valdez Hernandez at the table? And then the Earl Abram seated at the table, my right, your left. Ma'am, your name? You're charged with speeding. Boy, you got to be careful. You're driving 60 on West Huron River Drive, they say.
I had extenuating circumstances. I didn't realize how fast I was going.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? Is that charge responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
160 is your total. You go down to the cashier and make your payment and you're all set. Good luck. Hernandez, Valdez Hernandez. Valdez Brandon Luis Hernandez, 25W840-603 A and B. Your name?
Brandon, Luis Hernandez, Valdez.
You owe 213 on both charges. Do you have the money to pay that?
Yes, I do.
You have $426?
Yes, sir.
The tickets were issued back in October.
I recently got divorced, so I didn't check, well, I could check my mail. So. Then,
I can't hear you.
I didn't check my mail, so when I checked it, I already had the court date, so.
195 on each of these. I'll waive the balance. You can go down the hall and take care of those tickets. Good luck.
Thank you.
People against viral. Abram. 6W841-201.
He's on Zoom, Judge.
Okay. You have to start your video, Mr. Abram, or what?
Yes, sir.
Your name?
Just precinct Seco.
So you're going to plead to no medical waiver card, and then they're going to dismiss. Mr. Seacon, you have to take your hat off, please. And
Okay,
then
sir.
they're going to dismiss the original charge, right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Abram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Mr. Seaton.
All right,
I put him back in the waiting room, Judge.
Mr. Abram, to that charge of no medical waiver card shown, not responsible or not responsible?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible? You plead responsible to that with the understanding the speeding will be
Yeah.
dismissed?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Plea is accepted, 170. You can go online and pay that today?
Yes.
Okay, 33court.com, 33court.com with your case number. Good luck.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate it.
DeAndre Frederick Levitt Jr., 26B150339, A and B. Your name? Did they offer you anything on this? Keep your voice up nice and loud for me. Did they offer you anything on this?
No, I was talking, they told me to start proof of insurance. Them value.
Slow down. Keep your voice up for me.
It's,
Wait, just slow down. So you want to have an informal hearing on these? They wouldn't dismiss one and let you plead to the other?
I haven't talked to anybody since.
Well, you were back in there talking to the department rep, weren't you?
Mhm.
Yes?
And yes. and-
That was just now, right? 5 minutes ago?
Yes. And all I said, really, you weren't hearing.
Okay.
I said,
Keep your voice up.
I told him I got the proof to show him to get it dismissed. I didn't really want to hear it. I was just gonna show.
Did you have insurance in effect on that day?
No.
Well, then you were still driving without proof of insurance, right?
Right.
Did you have an invalid plate on that day?
To them, yes, I actually had the right tag, so I was confused.
What do you mean you have the right tags?
Like my registration was expired that day, so I don't know.
Do we have a number for Harabedian?
He's in courtroom 2. All of them.
Yeah, you have a seat right at the table behind you. I'm gonna call Will and ask them to send him in here. Joanne McNair. 26W841-442. You can come on up to the podium, ma'am. Your name?
Joanne.
All right, good morning. You're going to plead to impeding, right? Is that what you want to do?
That's okay.
What's that?
That's okay.
All right, to the
They said. I would just have to pay 135.
no, they're not the judge. Don't listen to those guys back there. Okay? I'm not gonna charge you 135. I'm gonna charge you more than that. But if you want to plead to impeding, I'll be happy to take your plea. It's 0 points. It won't go on your record. Do you want to plead to impeding?
That's okay, sir.
Okay, so to the charge impeding traffic, do you plead responsible or not responsible?
Response.
Okay, I'll accept the plea, dismiss the speed 150, and you're all set. Okay? Have a good day. Good luck to you. Jasper Seacon.
He's on Zoom,
Yes.
Judge.
Okay, Jasper Seacon, 6W841410.
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning, sir. Your name?
Sorry, sir. My name?
Yes, sir.
Jasprit Singh Sekho.
You want to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
That's 0 points, won't go on your record. To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Okay, sir. Do I have to pay the penalty fee?
Sir, do you
or-
plead responsible or not responsible to impeding traffic?
Here, the judge carefully walks the defendant through a plea deal. Admit responsibility for impeding traffic, and the speeding charge disappears. It's a common courtroom compromise. Less severe charge, smaller consequences. But notice the communication struggle. Language barriers can complicate even simple legal questions. Would you take this deal in court?
Yes,
Sir,
sir,
listen to my question. Listen to my
Okay.
question. They're offering you the opportunity to plead to impeding traffic if you want to do that. It's 0 points. It won't go on your record. If you plead to that, they're going to dismiss the speeding. To the charge of impeding traffic, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
Yes, sir. Responsible.
Please accepted 150, speeds dismissed. You can go online and pay that today, 33court.com, okay?
Sir, is it possible? Can you reimburse the waive of the fine because I'm just a driver?
So listen, there's a little bit of a language barrier here. I'm having a hard time understanding you. Keep your voice up. What are you asking me for time to pay?
Yeah, I am asking to waive off the fine, please.
To do what?
Uh, to forgive the fine, the penalty fee on the ticket, like it's a $150.
I'm not understanding you, sir. You're asking me to waive the fine?
Yes, yes, sir.
How can I do that? I can't do that. I mean, if I do that, I got to do it for the other 100 people in here, right?
Okay.
I can
Okay,
give
sir.
you a week to pay it. Will that help you?
Yeah, okay, sir, it's fine.
Pay this by March the 16th, okay? March
sir,
the
thank you.
16th. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Emily Boudry, 26B150326. Officer Harabedian, I'm going to call that case next with this gentleman here. Your name, ma'am?
Emily Boudry.
All right, good morning. You're going to plead to impeding traffic. They're going to dismiss the improper turn. Right?
Yes.
To that charge, impeding, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible.
Please accept it. Improper turns dismissed 150 and go down the hall and take care of that. And you're all set.
Able to have, I get paid on Thursday, and I'm able to pay on Thursday.
I'll let you pay on Friday, okay? You can pay on the 5th. Okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. Marissa Glenn. Oh, wait a minute. Before Marissa Glenn, you have a seat at the table. DeAndre Lee Leverett. Come on up here, officer. 26B150339A and V. Your name, sir?
Yeah, I'm referring to
So your name?
Officer Revere.
So he's saying he's got insurance now, but he didn't have it then. If he pleads to that, do you want to dismiss the invalid plate?
Yes, you're over.
Yeah, just write it up. You want to do that?
Yes.
Okay, he's going to write that up differently. Have a seat at the table, John Hindeman. And he's going to write it up differently. You have a seat at the table there. And then, as soon as I get the file, I'll recall it. Officer, you can take these right here. Marissa Lee Glenn, 26T 647-526. Your name, ma'am? All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible? Please accept it to that charge. 150 is your total, okay? Cash you into the hall to your right. You're all set. Good luck. Whale Dabja. Whale Hussein Dabaja, I'm sorry, Dabaja. 25W or 26W84141. Good morning, sir. Your name?
Well, Elijah?
Good morning. You're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
And then they're going to dismiss the speeding, right?
Understood.
To that charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted, 150, cashier under the hall to your right. You're all set. Good luck. Thank you. Jaden Lucas Toma. 26T 647-559 A and B. Good morning. Your name?
Good morning, Jaden Toma.
So you have a disregard traffic signal charge. They're going to reduce that to impeding, and then you're going to plead for insurance. True?
Correct.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
To the charge of no proof of insurance, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I don't know who's talking. If you guys could maybe keep it down, I'd appreciate it, okay? Guys, please, whoever's talking. I don't really think you qualify for impeding. I hate to be the bearer of bad news here. This has to go back to Trenton. Tell them they need to figure out something else, please. You're gonna have a seat, okay?
Okay.
Doesn't qualify for impeding. Yeah. All right, come on up here, Mr. Levitt. DeAndre Levitt, 263-150-339 A and B. He just wrote up to dismiss the invalid registration. But you heard what we talked about, right?
Yes.
So I can get him back in here and have him add the no proof, or you want to plead to no proof? I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss the invalid plate.
Yeah, I'll put the number.
That charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'm gonna accept the plea. I'm gonna dismiss file A. Fines and costs are $150, okay?
Yes.
You can go down the home and pay that. You're all set.
Okay.
Good luck. Palacios. Hector Relio Palacios. How you doing? 26 F 245-449. Your name?
Hector Leo Palacios?
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding traffic, true?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Please accepted. Original charge is dismissed. 150 is your total. You can go down the end of the hall and take care of that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rafael Valdivinos, 26F245547.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So they're gonna have you plead to 5 over, right?
Yes.
That's 1 point. Do you understand that?
No, I thought it was no point.
That's 1 point.
Okay,
Do you want to go talk to him again?
no, I don't need to talk to him. I mean, you brought it down a little bit, so.
All right, have a seat there 1 second. Just 1 second. Heather, can you have one of the court officers, please, at the front there, go talk to and send in the Flat Rock Department rep, please?
Yes, Judge.
Mitchell, Wayne, Collier, Lawson, 26F245533. Your name?
Mitchell Wayne Collier lost.
So you're gonna plead impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, to that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Speed's dismissed. Looks like you're getting your act together. Hopefully 170 is your total. You can go down the home and take care of that and you're all set. Good luck.
Thank you.
Doherty Nash. 26B150097. Or Nash Doherty, is it? I'm sorry. Your name?
Nash Doherty.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Doherty. You are going to plead to, there was an accident. How many times I got to tell these guys? You have any idea?
This moment shows how negotiation happens right inside the courtroom. The judge actually asks the officer to reconsider the charge and reduce it to impeding traffic. That's judicial discretion at work, balancing fairness, driving history, and proportional punishment. Not every judge intervenes like this, which makes moments like this especially interesting.
You gotta go clean, John. Wait a second. Let's see. Do you have somebody from Brownstown here? That's Flat Rock. Or are you the department rep?
Obedience here from Brownstown.
Yeah, this has to go to Herabedian. Come on up here if you would. Rafael Valdivinos. Wait a minute. Yeah, just slide back. Yep. Your name? This is 26F245547. Your name?
Rafael Ladovino.
And your name?
Detective Chakos.
Good morning. Are you new there?
I've been there for a year and a half, yes.
I haven't seen you. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
All right, so listen, he's got a decent record. I was wondering if you wouldn't consider giving him impeding on this. It wasn't outrageous.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to do that.
Will you write that up for me?
Thank you.
You have a seat right there. Give him a minute, okay? Thank you.
You want to complete it?
Thanks.
Sir,
What's that?
you want to complete the sheet?
Yeah, you can cross it out on that. Just say plead to impeding and
Okay.
initial it or something. Okay, thanks. Anam Naz. 26784140. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Your name?
I don't know.
All right, you're gonna plead impeding? Responsible or not responsible to that?
Response.
Please accept it. Speed's dismissed. 150 is your total.
Can I respectfully request for the reduction of fine on the basis of my clean driving record?
Yeah, that's the lowest I go on these. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Kozak. Raymond Michael Kozak. 26F245448. Good morning. Your name?
Good morning, Raymond Michael Kozak.
All right, you're gonna plead impeding, right?
That's correct.
responsible or not responsible to the, all right, I'm gonna accept the plea, dismiss the speed. You came all the way from Whitmore Lake, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 150.
Thank you.
Cashier in the hall to your right. Thank you. People against Lazarick. Joshua Jordan Lazarick, 25I 415-022. Your name?
Special hazard drive.
I placed you, let's see, on probation in August, specifically August the 14th of 25. I told you not to consume alcohol. I have a charge here that indicates as follows. If you can give me 1 second. That you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, specifically testing positive for alcohol at a tested DNA on February 9 of 26. If you plead guilty or if you are found guilty, you could get 5 days on this. Do you understand that? Did you sign an advice of rights form here today? If you read it and understand it.
That's right.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights on the advice of rights, and we will not have a hearing. Do you understand that?
That's right.
You have the right to a lawyer. If you would like an attorney, I will provide you with non-public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Would you like a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
I'll enter a not guilty plea. I'll set you up with a lawyer, and we will have a revocation hearing after you confer with the lawyer. Okay? Any questions? All right, go right out in the hallway, and he'll hand it to a lawyer. Nash Shorty, 26B150097. Your name? So he added what he needed to, because I don't take these unless the damage to the other vehicle is not major and there's no injuries, but he wrote that down, that there was no injuries, no disabling damage. So you want to plead to impeding? Who's with you?
My mom. It's my first time here. So.
Well, if you plead to impeding, it's 0 points. It's not going to go on your record.
Okay.
Is when there's an accident, they have to fill out a report and it's sent to Lansing, and your insurance carrier is likely to find out about it anyway. I just want you to be aware of it. You understand that?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk to your mom?
Be
To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
All right, you got to be careful. I'll accept the plea. Dismiss the failure to stop, assured clear distance. 195 is your total. 195 is your total. You go down the hall and take care of that. Thank you. Andrew Pignataro, 2526W 841396. Good morning, sir. Your name?
It's Andrew Pignataro.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing. It's just no injuries, minor damage. To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Failure to stop, assured clear distance is dismissed. Please accept it to impeding. 195 is your total. You are all set. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Joe Frank Spina, second. 26T647156. Your name?
Go Frank being the second.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Were you related to any of the Spinas in Trenton?
My dad used to clerk for you, sir.
Yeah,
Years ago. Wisest man I ever knew.
he was great. I loved him.
Yeah.
He was one of my volunteers. He'd take files down there.
Yeah,
Wow.
I know.
He's been deceased quite a few years now.
Yeah, well. Quite a few,
I
yeah.
liked him a lot. He was a good man.
After my mom.
To the charge impeding traffic, responsible?
Yes, sir. I was a momentary lapse of reason. I got lost. I grew up in this city, you know.
155. You're all set. Have a great day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Booth, Robert Aitken, Sunday Booth. 260-645-762 A, B, and C. You're taking a long way home, eh?
It looks like he has an attorney.
Did you have an attorney?
I don't know where it went. He was talking about us. Is that Bob?
Okay, well, I'm gonna put this aside then. I didn't know you had a lawyer. Kelly K. Banya the first. Banya. The first? Is that what it says? Kelly K. Banya. 266-47683. Your name? All right, you're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? Responsible or not responsible to that? Okay. All right. To the charge impeding, do you plead responsible?
I do.
Please accepted, 165, and you're all set. Cash, you're into the hall, you're right. Best of luck. Who's writing that up to change yours?
Maybe it's in there.
Oh, Rafael Valdivinos. 26F245547. Okay. Sorry to keep you waiting. Your name?
Fine.
Your name?
Rafael Ladavinos.
Ah, you're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
All right. 1 second here. $165, cashier under the hall to your right. And I'm gonna go ahead and, no insurance was just a warning, by the way. You knew that, right?
Yeah.
So you can go down the hall and take care of that and you're all set.
You
Best of luck to you. People against Richard Guest, 267841431. I'm gonna ask you to throw your gun right in there, sir. He's got a garbage can there.
In where?
Right over these, there's a garbage can over there somewhere. John, point out the garbage can to this guy, will you please? It's right over there.
Oh, there's, oh, it's in.
You're gonna plead to your name?
Richard Guest.
You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, responsible or not responsible for that? Please accepted, 150 is your total, and you are all set.
Oh,
Yes.
you know, I'm kind of help you.
That's all right. That's all right. No problem.
What'd you say it was?
150.
150?
Have a good day.
You too.
Amy Mooney. Who sent this in? Why do they want me? Your name?
Reading.
Why are they dismissing this? Do you know?
No.
Call in here obedient again, John. I don't know what we're gonna do. Get one of those guys.
Maybe because I'm leaving on Friday.
That has to do with anything. You have a seat right there at the table. Thomas Joseph Zaluski, 260-647-689. Good morning, sir. Your name? How you doing?
Good.
Your name?
Thomas Joseph Zaluski.
You said that like you were proud, which you should be. You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible? Please accept it, 150. Have a great day. Robert Aitken, Sunday Booth, 260-645-7628.
Good morning, Judge. Yeah, I'm glad to play with them again.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Real good, thanks. Give me 1 second.
Sure.
Oh. Okay. Your name?
Bob Booth.
All right, so what do we have here? We have a disorderly person, public intox, and then we have minor in possession of tobacco and possession of marijuana under 21, right? For purposes of arraignment on the misdemeanor, does he stand mute, waive formal reading?
We do, Your Honor.
Not guilty plea is entered. Did you talk to the prosecutor today?
Judge, we set this for arraignment today, so the prosecutor is not here. That's what I was going to do just now. So we're gonna have to set this for a pre-trial.
No problem. I'll enter a not guilty plea. No alcohol. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs, marijuana or illegal controlled substances, okay? Personal bond, 500. You cannot leave the state without consent or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. We'll give you a pretrial date. When will that be, Heather?
Well, Judge, this is where I was speaking with this attorney and there's some conflict with our Trenton date.
I'm
So
gonna
this
let
is
you
why-
go work out the date with Mr. Crane. Okay?
Well,
Put
here,
on the home.
Judge,
So,
I do just have a quick question because he's not available on any of our Trenton dates. So the next one that he's available for is our April 7th one.
Yes, we speak about that, Shar. I can do it April 7th. I have to be somewhere that afternoon, but it shouldn't be an issue. And I'm gonna reach out to the.
That's fine.
In between, so I think that'll.
that's fine. April
Okay.
7th. April 7th, we'll make it. Can you make it at 8:30?
Absolutely.
That,
Eight,
Judge, that's our afternoon docket, so it would be a 1 o'clock.
oh, at 1 o'clock. Can you
You
do?
do have a conflict with that.
I can't. We try to avoid each other's dockets.
Right. The other, 326 was an option too. If I recall correctly from, previous discussions, that day was, a conflict as well, unfortunately.
Yes, that's correct.
I can give them 4/7 at 8:30. We'll do a crossover, but you gotta be here, right?
Well, no, we won't have because that's an add-on docket for us. So Trenton will not be here till the afternoon for us that day.
We can hear from Judge House.
When will they be here for Judge Hess?
On April 2nd.
Do that. At what time? Can you make, can we set him at 8:30?
Judge, he
Yes,
has
we could.
You guys are killing me.
Oh, I know.
He has a what?
He has a hearing. He's on, I had a bond argument that I was gonna make to you. One thing that he has is he's on heightened probation at Blaine Circuit Court. The violation hearing, which I'm also gonna handle, is that morning. If there's any way that we can work around that, that's what Judge Edwards got now.
How
So
about
there's-
March 19th?
The
Judge
19th,
Judge Heston has Trenton on March 19th.
How's that?
that's fine, Judge.
8:30 we're gonna do?
Yes, we could do that, Judge.
We avoid crossovers here, so I'm gonna do this to you as a favor, but you gotta be here at 8:30, okay?
Understood.
March 19th at 8:30, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Amy Mooney,
Thank you.
26B149795. Come on up here, ma'am. Officer, your name again, sir? Your name?
Amy Mooney.
So you're dismissing this, it just says dismiss citation. Did you come to the conclusion she didn't violate the law?
Yeah, if we're able to dismiss it, Your Honor, that'd be great.
Is that the reason though? Because she didn't violate the law? It's a distracted drive.
Now the tone shifts dramatically. The judge warns the defendant about probation violations that could lead to jail time. Instead of rushing judgment, the court ensures the defendant understands every right, including the right to an attorney. This is due process in action, where protecting rights matters just as much as enforcing the law.
What happened is I was at the dentist 2.5 hours longer than I was.
I'm just asking him why he's dismissing it. I don't want people treated differently in here. And if there's a legitimate reason why it's going to be dismissed, I don't have a problem. If they don't have a case, they should dismiss it. But I'm not going to treat people different. So unless there's no violation, unless you've come to the conclusion it should have been written for distracted driving, then so you can either plead to impeding or you can go to the hearing. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I can't have people treated differently in here. I won't do it. So you can either go to a hearing if you don't think you did anything wrong, or you can write it up again as a plea to impeding, and I'll take the impeding, but
All right, I'll do the pleading to
you
it.
sure that's what you want to do? If you,
I don't know. I don't know. I don't usually break the rules.
I'm not saying you do. You seem like a very pleasant lady. But a lot of these people that have been in here don't break rules. I mean, most of these individuals have come in here with very clean records. And they've gotten impeded. And I have an issue with people that are driving or using their phone while driving to begin with. Wait a minute, just let me finish. So that's my issue with it. I see it happen every day and they're floating all over the road and going 20 and a 45. And it's a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous way to drive. So if they don't think, or you don't think that you did anything wrong, that's fine.
Well,
Wait, I want you to listen. I'm not gonna get in the middle of this, please. I'm just telling you, I just saw something that said dismiss citation. Unless he sounds like he's not gonna tell me a great reason why they're dismissing it. So if he's not, then I'm not taking a plea, I'm not gonna dismiss it. So he can either offer you impeding, or you can tell me, Judge, I don't want impeding. That's 0 points too. It won't go on your record. Or if you don't want to do that, you can come back and I'll summon the officer and I'll have a hearing.
I don't want any points on it.
There won't be any points. There's not with distracted either. There's no points with distracted. There's no points with impeding. It doesn't go on your record.
We're scared of our insurance.
Did you hear what I said? I'm not going to try to trick you here. I'm not a jerk. You know what I mean? I'm not going to trick you. There's no points. It doesn't go on your record.
Okay. I'd like to button that up today.
All right. You want to change this? Just change it. Or you can fill out another one that says plea to impeding and I'll call it. Okay, thanks. People against Ivan Rostro. 26W841242. All right, your name, sir? So he's going to have you plead the have you plead to equipment violation, which is actually a warning that was issued.
Yeah.
And then they're going to dismiss the no proof insurance, right? To the charge of equipment violation, responsible or not responsible. Please accepted, 125, no proof dismissed. You're all set. Amy Mooney, 026B14997. Where's she going? She's got to come in. Amy Mooney? Jason Daniel O'Day, 26F245506. Good morning. Your name?
Jason Daniel.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Please accepted, 150. Okay, you're all set. Thank you. Tariq Abdul Qadir Muhammad. Sorry, 26F245664. Your name? All right.
I would say my name.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that? All right. 165 is your total. Cash your end of the hall to your right.
Why some people do 150?
Because I look at everybody's record.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right.
No, I'm just telling you, come on back up here. I don't want there to be any, I look at everybody's record. First offense get 150, and it depends how many traffic offenses that they have. And you had, just to be clear here, they had you down for a hazardous action in 25 for speeding too fast for conditions, or 23 rather, and then a failure to yield hazardous action in October of 25. That's why I'm charging you more. Good luck. Have a good day. Amy Mooney, 26B149795. All right, ma'am, your name?
Amy would,
Have you had a chance to think about this? You want to plead to impeding?
yes, please.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible? All right, you're all set. 150, distracted, dismissed. Good luck. Thank you. Melena Noel Sterner, 26F245397. I don't know what he means by this. Your name?
Melena Stern.
He just made a note you provided proof of registration renewal.
Yes, because.
Was he going to have you plead to this, or was he going to dismiss it, or what was he going to do?
Said that was up to you.
I mean, I can cut it down for you, but let me just check something here. Jeez. So you were, I mean, I can cut it down. That's the best I can do. If you want to plead to it, or if you want to go to a hearing on it, whatever you want to do. I can't have people get written a ticket and then go get their plate renewed and then expect it to be dismissed. I just can't do that.
Oh.
Okay? So you want to plead to expired plate? And I'll cut the fines down for you?
Yes,
All right, to that charge of expired plate, responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
And you showed them your proof of registration.
Yes, sir.
And how old are you?
22.
Okay, you're gonna pay more attention to this, right? All right, $85. Good luck. Thank you. All right. People against. Brandon Ross Pantel, 24B 147651. All right. Good morning. Your name? Your name?
Brandon Ross, Pantel.
I have a charge here. I placed you on probation. The charge here was fraudulent schemes. There was $640 ordered in restitution. We issued a show cause. I'm going to read the charge. Failure to register, attend, and complete the positive strategy program with 8-week follow-up. That's count one. Do you understand the charge? I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Count two alleges that you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have 3 prior technical violations according to this. Therefore, your probation could be revoked on this and you could be incarcerated for a period of 90 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you like a lawyer?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. We're going to have a revocation hearing here. We'll set you up with a lawyer. You'll talk to the lawyer, and I think Haynes has our probation.
He does.
So you're going to meet with Mr. Haynes, and Mr. Haynes will come back in here with you, okay, after you guys are done. All right?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Marrying a not guilty plea. Thanks. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Nerman Muharib Salim. 26W841313. Good morning, ma'am. Your name? I'm sorry?
That being said, you're close.
Okay, you're going to plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible to that? Please accepted. 160 is your total. Okay, have a good day. Right down the end of the hall. Thank you. Allie Brown, 26W841384. Good morning, ma'am. Your name? You're going to plead to impeding. You're going to slow down, right? You're only 18, just turned 19. They got you going quite a bit over the speed limit here. Please slow down, okay? To the charge impeding, responsible or not responsible. I'll accept the plea, dismiss the speed 150. Cashier under the hall to your right, you're all set. Good luck. Slow. Isabella Elizabeth Anna Grace Kirksey. 260-647-276. You got several names there. You must be important. You must be important. Your name? You got to be careful. You had an accident a couple years ago, right?
Yes, that's correct. My brakes went out and I did hold.
You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
It says failure to yield to, that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible. Please accept it. Failure to yield dismissed. 195. You're all set. Cash your end of the hall to your right. Jordan Lucas Toma. 26 T6 47559 A and B.
This section highlights another probation case, where repeated technical violations could result in serious consequences. Instead of immediately revoking probation, the judge pauses and assigns legal counsel. That step is crucial, because before someone loses their freedom, the law guarantees the opportunity for legal representation and a proper hearing.
Wait a minute. What the heck happened here? Were you your name?
Jaden Lucas Toma.
Were you in front of me earlier
Yes,
on another case?
same case. For the driving.
You pled to impeding, right?
Yeah, but you said no.
You said you didn't qualify.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, you don't fall. I remember now. My mistake. So you want to have an informal hearing, right?
Correct.
Where do you have here, Heather, for me on an informal?
We could do March 17th at 10 o'clock.
Okay. March 17th at 10 will be your court date, okay?
Okay.
You can go down the hall and we'll give you a notice. Any questions?
No, yeah.
All right, we'll see you back here then. Good
Thank you.
luck. Thank you. All right, people against Muhammad Ali. Wow. 267840862. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Your name
Muhammad Ali.
was insured November 2 to May 10th of this year. The new car did not show up in system. So it sounds like legitimate. There was an issue. Dismissed motion of the PO. You're all set. Have a great day. Thank you. Deborah Lee Bolin. 268-245-663. Your name, ma'am? So we're gonna set an informal on this case as well, Heather.
Okay, Judge, we can do March
Well,
17th at 10:15.
March 17th at 10:15. Okay, you can go right down the hall and get your notice, all right? Best of luck to you. Thank you. Cartier, Gage Maximus Cartier. 26F245649. Could I have Angela Crumpton seated at the table up here, my right, your left? Sir, your name,
Hi, Dave, GAVD,
last name?
Cartier, CARTIER.
So this is Flat Rock. We can set this for the same time. Heather, March 17th, is that good at 10:15?
Should be.
Yes, Judge.
March 17th at 10:15, we'll give you the notice. You go down the hall and get it. You're all set.
Okay, thank
Best of luck to you. Angela Mary Crumpton, 267-245-514. So your name? Okay, you gotta keep your voice up for me. You understand that this is not gonna go on your record, right?
Yes. I just went back to work.
Well, I can do that for you if that's the only reason you're requesting an informal. So if you want to plead to, you and I will work out a payment plan. It's 0 points. It's not going on your record. It's impeding traffic. Do you want to do that? So to the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, you gotta be careful here. All right, I'm gonna make it 160. Now you tell me when you can pay this.
Can I do like 2 payments?
Yeah,
Like, I get paid every 2 weeks.
pay $80 bi-weekly. When do you get paid next?
This Friday?
I'll give you till Monday to pay. So you're gonna have until the 9th to pay 80, and then you pay the rest on the 23rd. If you need more time, no problem. Call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I get it. And
I
I'll
just went back with her, so I'll be able to pay it fast, but I just went back to work.
I get it. I'm just telling you, I'll be glad to give you an extension if you don't have the money when it comes up, okay? All right, best of luck. Michaela Kelly, 26W841377. Good morning, your name?
Michaela Kelly.
You're gonna plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
All right, so they're gonna dismiss the speed. The plead's accepted to impeding 150. You're all set. Cash your run of the hall. Right. Thank you. All right, so you're waiting on the lawyer. Did you talk to the lawyer yet?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what do you have, sir?
My name is Stephen London. I'm here for a traffic warrant that I had, but I paid it, but I was still.
Hang on, slow down. Did you check in down the hall?
Yeah.
It's a 9:15 show house.
Okay. Do we have that with us?
I'm sure you want.
John?
What was the first name?
London.
Yeah, I never checked in once. Let me see. Yes, there's one. Yeah, I see, I thought that, you know, I'm fine.
Sorry.
It's a sign.
What's that?
He's saying hard.
All right. Stephen Lee London Jr. Stevens 5B148094. Mr. London. Your name?
Stephen London.
Where you been?
I was early actually.
I don't mean today.
Oh,
I mean, why didn't you show up? This is from 2025. You were issued the citation back in February of 25. Where you been?
I was unaware. I was asked my family.
He gave you the ticket, right? He gave you the ticket, right?
Yeah, I remember.
Did you call and request a hearing?
Hindsight, I remember he gave me the ticket from that while ago. It slipped my mind.
Slipped your mind. I love when it slips people's minds.
Yeah.
All right. You posted a bond, so we can just apply the bond.
Yeah, I was shocked when he told me that I had a traffic warrant.
What do you do for a living?
Working right now, but
Why not?
Sitting.
Why not? You said you're not working right
No,
now?
I'm working right now.
Where?
A warehouse. It's called Wolf Aircraft. It's in Rome.
All right, here's what I'll do. I'll apply the bond to payment of fines and costs. Seems like a nice kid, Heather. Good record. Reduce fines to 180. You sign that over, we'll end up sending you a check for $33, okay? You got 213. Show up next time.
Definitely.
Good luck. Keep smiling. Smiling is a good thing. Have a good day.
Yeah, me too.
Are you set on yours?
I believe so, sir.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
I know we haven't had a chance to be introduced.
When did you, were you somewhere else before?
Yeah, I did 10 years in Detroit, and I did 5 years from
Wow.
and then another 10 in Wayne
And now you're here in the tropical Blackberry.
What's your last name?
Jacoda.
How do I spell that?
JAGOTKA.
All right, well, nice to meet you. Good luck over there. How's things going?
I like it. It's, when I left Wayne, I was starting to get that jaded feeling, but,
Now you've,
it's clicking on all cylinders over there.
good. Well, glad to hear it. Glad to have you here.
The,
Tell the chief I said hello.
yeah, him and I, get along famously, so.
Good.
It's good.
That's always makes life easier. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your help. That's the illustrious court administrator here. She's filling in for my reporter who's out ill.
Okay.
Judge, I'm gonna find out who the Zoom user is. They won't answer my chat. Zoom
that
user, can I
again.
get your name, please?
Zoom user, we need you to start your video and tell us your name, and then we need to change the name on there. Don't we have that on the instructions, Heather? I know we do. Why do a lot of people show up without their names on? I don't get it. Zoom user. What is your
Yes.
name?
John Caruso?
John Caruso.
Yes,
What
Your
do
Honor.
you- How you doing? You got to start your video for us. Do you have a case in front of me today?
Yeah, well, I can see you. It says the meeting is live streamed.
Okay.
I'm
You
looking
gotta-
at, I'm looking
you
at your
gotta-
start right now.
You got to start your video on the left so we can, there you go. Do we have him? Is,
Yes.
9:45 with Trenton.
okay, so you're gonna put him in a breakout room with Trenton?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and then you see what you can work out, okay, Mr. Crusoe? And I'll call you the
Okay.
case as soon as they give it to me.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Today's courtroom session showed exactly how real justice works. Traffic violations, probation hearings, and judges balancing fairness with accountability. Some defendants get warnings, others face serious consequences, but every decision carries weight. If you enjoy real courtroom drama and legal insights, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more.